In response to the National Security Council statement indicating that state-sponsored information operations from China are being conducted in the Philippines and are allegedly interfering in the forthcoming elections, China has denied the said allegation, rejecting the NSC's claim. PTV's Patrick De Jesus has the full details.
China has denied any plans to interfere with the upcoming elections in the Philippines. According to the spokesperson of the Chinese Foreign Ministry, they have no interest in meddling with the Philippine elections. During a Senate hearing yesterday, several pieces of evidence were presented pointing to the alleged interference by China and supporting for candidates they supposedly favor. Included was a contract allegedly entered into by a Philippine corporation wherein the Embassy of China was reportedly involved to provide so-called keyboard warriors. The National Security Council or NSC insists that the evidence is wrong.
We are very alarmed about this situation kasi nga lumalabas dun sa pasabog ni Senator Tolentino na hindi lang naman pro-China narratives yung ginagawa ng troll farm. There's also clear intention to interfere in Philippine politics doon sa pinakita niya. So we will work closely with the National Bureau of Investigation para makapag-case build up. Kasi nga may mga cohort sila sa Pilipino.
This has already reached the President.
Ito po ay talaga nakakaalarma at paiigtingin pa po natin ang sa utos na rin po ng ating administrasyon na imbestigahan ng malalim para malaman po natin kung ano man ang katotohanan patungkol po dito.
For a former official of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, it is important to thoroughly investigate the evidence presented as they may constitute a violation of the law.
Hindi mo na kailangan talunin yung army kasi hawak mo na yung leader. Number 1 yun sa doctrine ng China. The key leaders, the influencers, hawakan mo lahat yan. At yan ay fundingan mo. Kasi pag nakuha mo yan, hindi mo na kailangan talunin yung armed forces.
Meanwhile, the Philippine Navy confirmed that another submersible drone was recovered in Sabtang, Batanes last February, earlier this year.
Complete specimen siya, pero luma na rin siya. And we suspect na parehas ang capability sa iba.
This is now the 6th submersible drone recovered from various parts of Philippine waters since 2022. Based on the conducted analysis, some of them are suspected to have originated from China. From PTV Manila, Patrick De Jesus, Balitang Pambansa.